So, ito guys, ngayong araw samahan niyo, pupunta akong carriage ko ngayon. Alagyan na ng kayon. And then, gusto tayo lang natin. So, kukunin natin yung naman gumagana niya. So, let's go.
Car Wash Vendo.
Tulad ngayon, nasira. Pinagawa ko dun sa, pinagbilang mo yung foaming machine natin. Yung foaming machine, pinagawa ko. Bayad ako ng 500 pesos. So, kinabit ko na siya kagad. Hindi ko na videoan. And nabalikan siya ngayon para i-testing. Kasi gabi na, masyadong madilim siya, wala pang kilo. Kung yung walang babalikan ng lang. Check ko na lang guys. So, lalagyan ko lang mga pang piso. Punta na tayo sa harap natin. Lalagyan ko lang. Nice. Yan, sige. 30 seconds. Hindi kita eh. Yan, 30 seconds. Kaya natin maguhulog. Hindi pa rin. Ayaw pa rin. Oo. Ayan, ayaw pa rin. Nalawag mo muna ito. So, tansyahan lang ang paglagay ko dito eh. Wala talaga akong sinusunod na ratio. So, yun nga. Wala akong sinusunod na ratio dito guys. Inaano ko lang siya. Pinapabulang ko na siya. Pag ganyan, kulang pa talaga. So, hindi siya magpo-foam doon pag naglaba siya. Badang-badang pa. Yan. Pwede na yan. Testing na natin doon sa labas. Sulugan ko na ng points. May pirates. Ayun mo na yung sabon mo.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through.
Okay na guys. So, susunod natin gawin guys. So, ilinisin na naman itong side. Yan. So, gano'n naman natin. Okay, bulas. Sip lang guys. Ganda so. So, ganito talaga mag-gawa ka na sila na kikilos. Para magawa siya ng gastos. So may sure dapat inaagapan na guys para hindi na lumala yung mga mapag-access ko. Diba? So yun natin. Next na guys. Tingnan niya. Ayan na. Diba? Nalinis na. So ito guys yung setup namin. Ito pala yung belt type na pressure washer. Yan. Kawasaki. Brand. Tapos nakaka-fire na siya. So yan. So ito nakasaksak na doon sa lens slot. So maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin guys. And dito na yun yung video na to. See you sa next upload natin na video. Bye!